Today I have come with another recipe which is Bengali's favorite recipe, which is called Begun Bhaja or the eggplant fry, which is cooked on a skillet or tawa or any fry pan. Non-stick also can be done, and this is little on the smoky side. When you cook this recipe in US home, or your smoke detector immediately turns on because it creates lot of fumes. So when I was in Tampa, 2 3 times it happened with me, and smoke detector immediately turns off. So let's see how we make this. It can be had with chapati fulka or with dal or with rice, and as a side dish this can be used. So this is how it looks. Let's see how we make it. So this is Begun Bhaja, the Bengali authentic recipe. I have sliced the begun in 2 centimeter slice and adding salt and turmeric. Then I'll rub it until the salt dissolves in from the granules. You cannot find out the granule till the time you have to nicely rub it. And when that is done, then we will start frying it, shallow frying with little oil in a fry pan. So the rubbing is getting done. So this is the only minimal ingredient to be used. Then I am putting 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, smear it evenly all around, and increase the fire to a full flame so that fry pan also heats up and the fumes of mustard oil goes away. Now what to do is take the marinated eggplant and put in the oil. You can see it is sizzling. So all the eggplant is not coming into the fry pan because the surface is not that big. Another 2 3 slices is left, so that can be done in another session of frying. So this have to be cooked for 7 minutes in full flame. When you can see that for the smoke is more, you can reduce the fire. Until then you have to cook on a full fire. When you see the oil, during that time it should be full fire. So when the oil quantity goes off the fry pan, see, this is the fire I am cooking. When you see the smoke is more, you have to reduce the fire to low. See, the fire is coming more, so you have to reduce the fire during that time. See how beautiful it is looking. And again put the lid on so that internally it also cooks from inside. Inside it will be very tender, it will be so buttery, you will like it. So this is the beauty of eggplant. So we'll be cooking it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Max to max cooking time is 10 minutes. One session, one section or one lot. Okay, so that is the tip of this recipe. 10 minutes for 4 pieces. See, the color is not come, so I'll put again. You can press little bit so that the oil oozes out from the eggplant to cook it for this side also. So the pressing is only to take out the oil, nothing more. And when you are pressing it, it will evenly touch the bottom of the fry pan, and you will be able to do it. So this cooking time is 10 minutes per lot, or the 4 pieces will take 10 minutes to cook. Simple as that. So another 4 to 6 pieces if you have, you it should take another 10 minutes. So that is the formula altogether. It can be eaten with chapati, fulka, or with dal rice. This will be as a side dish, not the main course. But when you are eating with the in the breakfast or evening tiffin or dinner with fulka or so all this thing, this is tiffin basically. Or else you can go as a main course side dish. So I'll be doing the plating. This it looks to be like finished. The color has already come. See how beautiful it looks now. I'll remove this in another steel plate and do another lot same like this until done. I'll do the plating now with this lot with fulka, two fulka and eggplant. One fulka, two fulka and three eggplant slice cooked till golden color. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll come again with a new recipe. This is very basic. People like this recipe. People have been telling me to make this recipe, so I have come up with this wonderful simple recipe. See you another recipe of Jai Sri Kadai Katha. Bidding bye for now.